Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of April 2025, and here we're going to be trading the touch no touch for volatility 10 index, and we're using the Bollinger bands indicator. Bollinger bands, it's under the volatility right there. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the volatility 10 index. So I've clicked on touch there because it goes right up there. I click on touch right there. So you go to V10, then you go to the indicator right there, you click on the volatility, you click on Bollinger bands, then you go to the trade type there, you go to touch no touch, that's touch no touch, then you go to the barrier offset, you set it to minus 0.182, that's minus 0.182, minus 0.182. So we're going to be clicking on touch once this goes a little bit up. Once the movement goes a little bit up and it starts to be, you can see the Bollinger bands right there, you see this movement, it has to go a little bit up, then you click on touch. So wait for there's a time count right there. So you can see we won that trade there, we made 6.30 right there, 6 points. So when it's going back up again, we're going to click on touch. Let's just wait for it to go back up. You can see where it is right here, it has to be going right up. So you can wait for like 30 seconds to place the next trade. Okay, so you can see it's going right up there. So I click on touch right there. That's going to be our last trade. We're already in profit there. We can sell at market, but we're going to win regardless. So you can see we won that trade right here. So we won that trade. So that's it for now. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, you can see indicator right there. You can use it to trade the volatility index, the Forex pairs, Euro USD. It works on Deriv. It also works on all Forex broker platforms that support MT5. We're still giving it away for free. The infos are right here to get it for free. Check the video description on YouTube. And for those who haven't gotten the TOS boats and the Pip stripper boat as well, check the video description on YouTube for the links to order them. We're also giving away some free ebooks and free boards as well. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. The link to there's a step to get a free indicator. You have to sign up using this link. Sign up for a trading account using that link. Then subscribe to all these 3 channels right here. Check the video description. Send an email to this email with the subject free indicator and the last digits of your created MT5 account. Once you verify the account, we're going to send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, use this link to order the indicator for $12. And that's the link to order the Pips Provable. Check the video description on YouTube. And the links to order the Tusk Provable is right there. The link to sign up for a free trading account is there for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel. This is the second channel. This is the third channel. And the second channel is right there as well. Check the video description. These are other infos. These are forum website. You can join and read the tutorials right there. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share our videos, comments, likes. Thanks for watching.